Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how you could help your investment by using social media to bring more eyes and impressions or viewers and potential investors to your project. You could use a platform like the one you see in front of you here, Twitter, and there's other social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok. So the first one I'm going to show you is Twitter, and I'm going to use one of my investments as an example, which is Axion Network. You can see the description here of what it is, but in order to get the correct websites, you really should go to the company's main website. So I'm going to go to do a search for that. I already know the website address, but I want to do a search first. So I already loaded this up before, but I'm going to do a search. I already know the project's website or project's name, so it's Axion Network, and it's usually at the top of the search results. And you could confirm it with other websites like coin tracking websites like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, and other websites that are kind of popular. So this is useful for crypto projects, but it may be useful for other projects that have an online presence and that are effective in advertising that way. So it could be useful for maybe your stocks as well. So I'm going to click on that to go to the Axion Network website. Actually, let me go back and right click that and load it as a new page. Okay, and many of the external links that the company or your project has, your investment has, could be on the top or somewhere on this home page. So if it's not on the top, it's probably has a good chance of being on the bottom. And this one has it on the bottom. Okay, so you got 6 links right here: a Discord server, a Telegram server, Twitter, Reddit, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. They don't have an Instagram page, and they don't have a TikTok page either. These first two, Discord and Telegram, are useful to get the latest information and to get the official links also from those two servers. This is a place to get extra help. You could sometimes get in contact with the team over there that's part of your project, and there's moderators there to help you and the community itself, and you get the latest announcements usually through these two servers. It's basically chat rooms over there, and they have voice chats too for special discussions or off-top discussions as well. Well, the first one we're going to try is Twitter. So you can see in the lower left it says twitter.com/Axion_network as an address for that. So go back to Twitter and you can verify that in the address bar of your web browser. This is going to look different through your mobile phone if you do it that way, but I'm just showing you the desktop version there, or laptop way to do it, because I prefer things through a full-size keyboard and a mouse. I don't like to use a mobile phone for any type of heavy or serious internet use. I'd rather type with the full-size keyboard. I'm more effective that way. Okay. So once you verify, you got the official account on Twitter, and you're logged in, and if you haven't created an account, you got to create an account and log in. After you do that, then you can click follow here. That's the first major step. And you can see how many followers they have. This one has 16.7 thousand followers, and they're only following 70 people. Joined May 2020. And they have a pinned tweet here. First thing you do is just like, then click on that to retweet. I already retweeted before. Sometimes these likes don't get recorded for some reason for this pinned tweet, so that's why it looks like it didn't. That it looked like I didn't do that before, but I actually did it plenty of times. Then you could click on this to leave a reply. I already did that before. to this tweet. I'll show you how to leave a reply. So I'm going to say something like, I love Axion, or hashtag Axion. When you use hashtags, it brings more awareness, I believe, to your crypto investments, because other people will use similar hashtags, and it connects each other, you to the other ones, and makes it easier to find, I believe. So that's why I include hashtags, because we're trying to get more eyes onto the project and more investors, and boost up the analytics so we could rise up in the social media analytics charts and get some marketing that way. I was going to call it free, but it's not actually free because we're spending our own time in it, and time is money. So so I love Axion. I'm going to leave it simple as that. And you could go down here and add your own media, like a video file that's compatible, or a picture. And you can use a built-in GIF from here. I'm going to do that. Let's do a dancing one. Carlton. Well, not Snoop Dogg. Let's do a Snoop Dogg. Then I'm going to leave a happy face. I got a smaller computer screen, so this might not show properly, or might be more difficult to get to, but I'm going to do the upside down face, so I like to be a little wacky, I guess. So I love Axion with the upside down face, still happy face, and then Snoop Dogg. So I included a hashtag which acts as a hyperlink if you select that after somebody sees it. It goes to other posts with the same word in there. So click reply. Then click view. Your tweet was sent. Click view. There's my tweet. See, it's actually, you see that line over there? It's actually attached to this. So that means I'm replying to that message, I guess. It's got 78 replies to it. So I'm one of the 78. You can view the activity for that. I just posted it, so I already got 3 impressions, 1 engagement, and that's probably me, the 1 engagement, 1 detail expand. And after a while, you could come back to that same reply tweets and see the latest social media analytics and data involved with that, if you like that kind of stuff, because I do. And that's how you do that. Other people could just leave a like and retweet for mine, or even leave a reply for my own comment, and then it will even reply to this at the same time to the main account. So I just wanted to show you that for this purpose. See, this is a fun one. I'm going to delete this though, because I already left messages on that account, or that tweet. I'm going to show you another one. So it looks like eBay is going to add crypto options, payment options. That's cool. I already liked it and retweeted it. I'm going to select on anywhere on this outside area part of the tweet, because if I select this, it'll go to this news article. I don't want to do that. I want to stay within this Axion tweet, so I'm going to go outside of that. Select on it. Now I'm still on the Axion tweet, and now I could interact with the further comments over here. Let me see. See, this shows additional replies, including those that may contain offensive content. So let's see what happens. Okay, so this is a irrelevant comment or reply to the original tweet, and that's probably why it got marked as that. I'm going to show it as spam because it's not relevant. So I'm going to click report tweet. You could also just mute the person or block them, or just let it go, but I just wanted to show you how to do this just in case you come across something that's maybe harmful, or a bad website, or just spam. So You can see if you report it, I'm going to report it as spam. And then this user is spreading spam. It uses a reply function to spam. That's the one. And I'll just mute that person and done. So I think it takes one more person to actually confirm that for that tweet that we just saw earlier to disappear from everybody else's Twitter feed. So it won't show up in the reply section. So I'm going to click view because I already reported that. It's still there, but it's, kind of, I guess it's going to be blocked for me further, but it probably won't be blocked for other people unless at least a second person reports that. Okay, so I showed you how to do that for 2 tweets on the official account. And another way you could do it is you could try to find other accounts that are tweeting for your project, not just the official Twitter account from the company, but other accounts that are supporting it too. So I'm just going to type in Axion Network and press enter, and then it goes by top tweets. So you can see the top tweets are still from the official Twitter account. Some of them from regular investors or boosters like myself, because some projects just form a special group where they're trying to band together to help support the project that way by being organized about it. So that person is one, this person is another. They're one of the leaders for the group called Social Gorillas, and your organization might do something as well like that, especially in a crypto project. And if not, you might want to get something like that started, especially if the project could use your help. And it could save money on marketing funds that way as well. So I already liked and retweeted these, mostly likes, and a lot of these are ads, Twitter ads. Yeah. So I'm going to pretend I'm going to leave a reply for this one. This person used a whole bunch of hashtags. I'm going to use a hashtag too. Axion is going to be super great. And then exclamation, exclamation. And I'm going to use another GIF. I'll use them. I don't know if that's Charlie Brown and the Peanut Gang, but I guess that's it. I use an emoji. I'm going to type in like hand, and then the hands up one, raised hands. Yep. So do that, click reply. See, that got sent out, your tweet was sent, click view. If you're not fast enough, you could just click on your profile, this button right here for profile, and then go click on tweets and replies. And you can see right there, it should be on the very top if it was your last tweet that you sent out. So this is how you can support your investment by using Twitter. And make sure you have the correct account, because there could be other fake accounts that might be using similar wording and that stuff, and they might try to steal your secret passphrase or recovery phrase for your wallet and try to hack you. So be careful for unofficial accounts and that kind of stuff. This is me, just in 124. I'm going to go back to the main Axion official Twitter account, which is at Axion_network. I'm going to hover over that and click on that. Okay, so that's how you support your investment, by using Twitter to get more social activity to your project, more eyes, more viewership, and potentially more investors. and this is a form of marketing. So this helps your project, and this is one way to do it. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do it on another platform. Thanks for watching.